Hi guys, I am Daniela and this is Art Around the World. Yes, welcome back to our Just for Fun series in which we'll be making our Piggymon characters based on our series Pokemon. Today's character is not Pigglypop, it is Piggachu. Are you ready to make your own recycle hand puppet? So am I. So hop on your artsy clothes and let's get started. Today's materials are an empty box of milk, a cardboard box, a pencil, small and a big brush, scissors, glue, white glue is best, a cup of water to wash your brushes, black, white, red, and yellow acrylic paint, and something in which you can pour the paint and the glue, and a rag to clean and to dry your brush. I will use my apron. We're gonna put away our materials so we can use this space and start by drawing a line in the middle of our box. We want it to be in the middle, so we're gonna just do it by eye. Maybe here. We make a line here. On the next side. On the next side. And the next side. And now I want to start cutting. We're gonna cut 1, 2, 3 sides, but we're not gonna cut one since that's gonna be the mouth. As you see here, we left this one here to be folded for it to be the mouth. Okay? Okay. Very good. We're gonna leave this one as the mouth, so we're gonna cut this other sides. Now this one is we're gonna push it forward. And we have our puppet face. Woohoo! Very good. I have these things that are like glued onto this box. That's the way it comes. I'm just gonna open it. As I did here. You can choose to leave it like that. That is okay too. And the first step number 1, color all white. Gonna pour our white paint. And we're gonna take the big brush to cover all our box white. Very good, guys. While we wait for the paint to dry, we're gonna use this and fold it twice. 1, 2. Step number 2. Let's make the eyes, the cheeks, and the ears. We have folded our paper in 4. We're gonna put the circle. Thank you. And cut the circle. So that way we have 2 eyes and 2 cheeks. The next step, we're gonna open once and we're gonna make the ears. The ears are gonna be the size of a leaf. And we're gonna leave some space in the bottom to paste our Pikachu's ears. We know that Pikachu's ears have an upper part that is black. We're gonna make a line here. Then this, we're gonna go from our outer edge like that. Very good, guys. For the eyes, we go back to the eyes now. We're gonna make this smaller dots, the smaller circles that are gonna be white. Very good. Step number 3. Color the eyes, the cheeks, and the ears. We're gonna start with the eyes. We're gonna use these. We're gonna color everything black but the circle inside. We're gonna take the small brush. Let's watch this one too, so we can use it after. Very good, guys. We're gonna go ahead and color the ears. Only the upper part of the ears are black. So let's go ahead and color this. Now with red, we're gonna color the cheeks. Very good, guys. After this is dry, we're gonna go ahead and paint it all yellow. I am ready to be yellow. Yes. Step number 3. Paint all yellow. We have completed step number 3. Now we're gonna let it dry. And while we wait, we're gonna color the ears yellow. We go for step number 4. We're gonna color the back of the ears and the front part yellow. We're gonna start with the front part. And now we're gonna color the back of the ears. Get ready for step number 5. While this dries, you can go out and dance, or have a snack, or get a drink, maybe juice. I don't know. Hello guys, I am dry. This is our dry box now. We're gonna get some glue. So once we have all our parts ready, we have the cheeks, we have the body, we have the eyes, we have the ears. They're still a little wet, so we're gonna wait for those to dry well. While that happens, we're gonna start gluing the stuff. First, we're gonna put the cheeks right next to the nose. Get some glue. You can use your finger or brush. And we're gonna put one cheek next to the nose. We're going for cheek number 2. second cheek next to the nose. We're gonna press slightly, not with the finger that has the glue, but all the other fingers. We're gonna do the same with the eyes. Let's go! Look, guys, this is almost ready. The ears seem to be ready. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna fold the ears right here. One fold, next fold. And this is gonna have glue. So we're gonna put the glue on the bottom part of the ears. And we're gonna put the ears on. They're gonna be on top, on the top part of the eyes. One ear. Two ears. And we're gonna hold them for 10 seconds. We're gonna go ahead and color the tongue of Piggachu. We're gonna use the small brush and the red paint to make the tongue of our Piggachu. So we're gonna use this, and if Piggachu's looking at you, you're gonna make a U shape. Do you see it? Maybe a little bit bigger. And this U is gonna be red. So remember to subscribe, like our video, and spread the word so more kids can continue having fun and learn arts and crafts with us. Bye bye! See you next time!